Hi, do you know that online coaching is growing fast in 2021, especially in this COVID pandemic time? So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how to start your own online coaching business, and I will walk you through step by step how to create that. If you're interested to learn how to create your own online coaching or consulting business and even online training, then you may want to watch this video till the end. And at the end, I will also give you a special bonus to help you kickstart your online coaching business faster. Okay, let's jump right in. Step number one that you want to start your online coaching business is to find a niche market to serve, right? When I say niche market means that a specific market, not that I want to serve in, let's say, for example, weight training, so or exercise. This is a huge market. Let's say you want to become a fitness coach, right? That's huge, but find one niche, yeah, to serve on, right? Nail down to a smaller. Maybe you want to be a fitness coach for specific like runners, or you want to be a fitness coach for people, maybe men age 50 and above, all right? Or a fitness coach for people who has back pain, right? These are very niche. Now, if you want to learn more how to do this research, I'll be doing another video in the coming Thursday. All right, so watch out for a video and do subscribe to this channel so that you'll be notified when we publish news videos. And this is one part of the business kickstart guide where I teach you about how to research to find your specific niche target market. Step number two, develop the program. Now, when I say program means that if you want to become a coaches or a consultant, meaning that the first thing you need to think that your program must be a solution to a certain problem, right? For your niche market or your target niche market. Yeah. So a solution. So you need to develop a programs that can help bring results for what your customers want. You see, for example, if you are a so-called a running coach, if I am a runner, I love running, right? But I can't run fast. So that is my problem because my speed is always at around 7 to 8 minutes. So I want to improve it to maybe to 6 minutes, 5 minutes. That is what I want. So if you are a running coach, so your goal is to develop a program to help me to be able to speed up my process, right? Without me getting like tired or run out of breath. So you need to develop this program, yeah, to cater for what your customer wants, right? So of course you must know how to do it. So in the first step means that in your niche, right, you need to find something that is related to your strength or you have experience or skills or interests that you can already do it. Then you can coach people how to do that. Step number three. So when you have the program ready, then we will start focusing on marketing. Now, when I say marketing, it's not like selling. Marketing means that here is that how do we generate leads? How do we bring people that interest people to come and inquire about our programs? So this is what we say generating leads. So you need to have a process. So whether a process is like a running advertisement, use mouth to mouth, or use pamphlet. So what is your particular marketing tools or channels that you want to get your news out so that people know about your program? So come up with a marketing programs, right? Or marketing plan, then start generating leads. Yeah. When I say leads, it's not simply anyone, but it's a real targeted leads. So if you do the first step right, meaning that you know how to market and bring in the right leads. Because the next step, number four, we will talk about selling, right? Now, if you bring in the right leads, then your selling will be so much easier and your conversion will be higher because these are the real people that really needs your program. Yeah, your program is means that equals your solutions. Selling means that you have to have a sales conversion process. Okay, everything that we do, we must have a process. Yeah, I'm a lean consultant, and I believe that everything that we do is a process. So even selling, there's a process. How do you want to convert your leads to become your clients? So these are very important. So whether your people asking you coming through like Facebook or coming through like LinkedIn or go into your WhatsApp, how do you want to convert them? Is it through a webinar? Is it going through a phone call? Is it going through a meeting, face-to-face meeting or Zoom meeting? How do you want to convert them? So this is very important. That's your sales process. Now, after selling the process, you convert them, they become your customers or clients, then you got to serve them very well. So you got to over-deliver what you promised them. Then we'll look at the growth part. Yeah. So the fifth step will be how to grow. How to grow means that how do you develop a continuous relationship with your client? Meaning that you will have a program that continues serving them, right? Like fitness program, meaning that if just now I'm talking about like running. So if I can run from 7 minutes, now I can drop to 6 minutes. So should I continue to improve to 5 minutes? Yeah. Or I can coach them in doing something else. Or I can create other things like I supply them on supplements, how to eat better, and so on. So these are the things means that your back-end programs or back-end products. Now, when you are a coach, doesn't mean that you only have to sell your service. Same thing, I do coaching, I do consulting. My back-end can be a software. Yeah. If I have a software that can help them speed up the process, they do things, okay, or develop a software that can help them to bring in the customers that they want. So these are the things which is the backend. So it doesn't mean that you are a coach, you only sell services. So if I have a fitness coach, I can also sell like supplements, and then I can teach them how to eat as well. Because when you have back ends, then you can grow rather than focusing on just your service, because you only have 24 hours a day. I hope that these 5 steps, first, find your niche market. Second, develop your program. Third is develop your marketing plan. Fourth, develop your selling process. And fifth, have a growth plan. So I hope these 5 steps will give you a clear pictures on how you can create your own online coaching business. Now, this is a fast growing industry right now, yeah, especially during this COVID time when a lot of people stay at home or you can't do like face-to-face training, coaching. So we do a lot of online coaching today. And the beauty of this is that you can do coaching to anyone in the world using Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams. So the technology have helped us expand our market to global rather than just focus on local. So take advantage of that. Start your online coaching business right now. Now, I do prepare a checklist if you want. It's a consultant startup checklist. You can use it for, it's the same thing, you can use it for coaching as well. So if you're interested, do click on the link below and download it. Now, if you're interested to build your own consulting business and you're looking for a mentor, for a coach, I do have a program that only cater for only a few people per month that I coach and help them to become a consultant. You can click on the link right below to book a session to discuss what's your plan. And then if we have a match that I can really help you to start your online coaching and consulting, then you can join my coaching program. So if you're interested, just click on the link below and then we can talk and brainstorm and give you ideas how you can kickstart your online coaching business now. So I hope this video helps you. And if you like this video, do give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And every week we publish online business tips every Tuesday and Thursday. So do subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that when we publish, you will be notified. And meanwhile, check out these videos that I've done to help you grow your business online. I will see you in my next video.